Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'll be showing you guys how to download Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a Linux-based operating system. It is designed for computers, smartphones, and network servers. If you need to download Windows Subsystem for Linux on Windows 10, you can download Ubuntu. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys now how to download Ubuntu. To download Ubuntu, you'll have to do some of the settings first. So you have to click on Windows, search for settings, go into settings. After you go there, you have to click on update and security. Then you have to see that your Windows is up to date, and if it's not up to date, you'll have to make sure you check for updates, and it says here you're up to date. And when you click on up to date, it's gonna restart and you have to do the process and it's gonna be up to date. After it becomes up to date, you have to click on for developers. Make sure this mode is on. Turn on developer mode. Yes. Then you have to come here, search for turn. When you write turn, you're gonna see this turn Windows feature on or off. You can find it when you go to the control panel, but you could just search it up, turn, and this is gonna pop up and you have to open it. When you open this, you're gonna see those options and you have to come here and check the box Windows Subsystem for Linux, and you have to also check the box virtual machine platform. So if this is turned on, virtual machine is turned on, this is not it. You'll have to make sure your virtualization is turned on. Only turning on the virtual machine platform is not gonna help you to download Ubuntu. I had a hard time to download Ubuntu because I didn't understand that if you just do this, this is not gonna enable your virtualization. You click on OK. And this is gonna show to make sure your virtualization is enabled. I made a video. Click on this video on the top and you can find how to enable your virtualization. If your virtualization is disabled and you click on this enable button, that's not gonna help. You'll have to make sure that when you download it, your virtualization is enabled. To check if your virtualization is enabled, I made this video, you can watch it. Is also provided on the description link below and is also there on the top. Click on it and see how to enable virtualization. Then it's gonna ask you to restart and I'm gonna restart. Then you have to click on restart now. So I'm back. After you restart, what do you have to do? You have to search for Microsoft Store. You're gonna see this when you search, open it. After you open this, you'll have to search for Ubuntu. I will download Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. This is for 64-bit operating system. You can see the description here. You can see the system requirements if it matches with your operating system. And you can see this is for 64-bit and you can check the versions and how you're gonna check the infos about your operating system. You come here on the you search for system information. When you open that, you're gonna find the informations about your operating system. So this is where you're gonna find it. And if it matches with this, you can download Ubuntu 20.04 and click install. When you're gonna click install, it's gonna start downloading. After it downloads, you'll have to click on launch and it's gonna say it's installing. This may take a few minutes. So if it says any error message or send you any kind of links in here, try to copy the link and go to the link and try to understand what error message is trying to give you and try to solve the problem to install Ubuntu. When I was downloading, I saw lots of error messages and I had to solve my problem. If you guys have any kind of problem installing this, please write something on the comment so that I could help you with it, and I'll reply you back by 1 or 2 days. You can put it on the comment, the error message, I will reply back. So this is gonna take a few minutes and we're gonna wait here. And after it install, you're gonna see, please create a default Unix user. You have to enter a new Unix username, enter, and it's gonna ask you for new password. When you're gonna enter the password, you're gonna see there's nothing on the screen, but still is typing. Don't worry, just keep typing your password and it's gonna ask you to retype it. So the password was updated successfully, installation is successful, and these things are gonna pop up. And you're gonna see welcome to Ubuntu this 20.04.1. So after you see these, you could just start writing. Let's type calc. If I type date, I could see today's date. So it's working. It is successfully downloaded on my computer. And if I want to clear my screen, I'll type clear and it's gonna clear my screen and you could freshly start typing. So this is how you download Ubuntu. I hope you guys like the video, and if this is your first time watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.